So today we're going to be making a 2.25-inch button, and it's a little different from the 1-inch that we made in the last video because the backs on them are different. So this is the back for the 2.25-inch, and this is the back for the 1-inch, and you see they are a little different. So today our graphic of choice is going to be the Essential Worker 2020, the ones that could not quarantine. And what we're going to do is we're going to size this down for it to fit in our punch. Now the 2.25-inch button maker is the one, it's my very first one. It's the one that I wanted first before I bought all the others. And we're going to line the circles up. And get these cut out. Now again, I think these punches are a must-have. They make it so much easier and so much quicker to cut your graphics out, because with this one I used to have to cut this one out by hand because I did not order the punch with it. Okay, so this is my 2.25-inch button machine, and the first thing we're going to need is, of course, our shell. And we're going to put the shell down. And then we need our graphic. Alright, it had some cut off, so we're going to use our graphic. And then we're going to get our Mylar. And we're going to put our Mylar down. So we're going to, of course, swirl it around and pull down. And of course, like I said, it always disappears. So then we're going to put our back on. Now, when I put the back on, the coil needs to point, the coil of the back needs to point to the outside. If you put it in, and you put it in straight over here, I don't know if you guys can see that real good, but you put it in straight, you can always turn it this way, and the coil is going to be pointed downwards. And then we push it up, and of course, pull down. And the button reappears. Okay, so we turn the coil down so that our button will be able to go on perfect. See, like this is the front, and then there's your back. And it's completely even to the front, so that when they put it on there, when they wear it, then it will be sitting up even, and now upside down or anything because of the way you put the pin in. So again, the coil points down. Trying to get a little bit more supplies. Okay. Shell, make sure you have one because sometimes it can fool you. And there'll be two of them in there. Your graphic. And your Mylar. Push down. And then, of course, your back. And again, your coil is going to point down. And there you go. And it's even. So, see, this is what I mean by make sure you have one, because that was two. So, shell, graphic, one Mylar, because you have to be careful that you have one. Then your coil part You're going to turn it this way, and you're going to have the coil. You can swerve it. Make sure it's pointing down. Okay, it didn't want to pop out of there. And there you go. One more time. Shell. Graphic. Mylar. I don't know if y'all can hear my 2-year-old, but she's standing in the hall looking for me. I got the door shut so she can't come in. Coil down. Make sure it's straight. There you go. So, another graphic that I need to do is this one that I call Faith. And it just clearly states that it does not make the things easier. Faith, it makes them possible. So, we're going to do a couple of these. As well. I work a little part-time at a hospital, and I think these essential workers are going to go to those at the hospital for them to wear on their lab jackets. I just thought it would be something nice since they can't be off like the rest of us. How many of y'all are enjoying your time at home? Because me, I am so ready to go back to work. Like, I miss it. I have not even been, like, I've been off since spring break, and I have not even been crafting as if I'm kind of upset about not being able to be at work. Let's cut the rest of these out real quick. I'm not quite sure I have enough essential worker pins, but we're gonna make it work. We can always make some more. Okay. So we put the shell in, we put the graphic in. We're gonna put the Mylar in. And then we're gonna put the back side of the pin in with the coil facing outward or down if you do it that way. Pull out the lever. Swirl it and pull out lever again. And we have the cutest little 2.25 inch pin. I think that's adorable. I really do. So, let's go at it again. I'm going to finish making these out. I think my next video is going to be a zipper pull or how to make a button can opener. Well, not can opener, a bottle top. is what I think they call it. I'm not sure. I'm not a drinker. I think I'm going to do the zipper pulls next, so. My little girl loves zipper pulls. You go in her book bags and everything. Some of these I have to be careful because my ink needs to be changing out and it looks like it's bleeding. That's why I'm picking some up and not using some on my graphics. And I need to, and I even went to Walmart today with my mother and I still did not pick up any ink. So, we are going to make some more of these off camera so that we can put them on our Facebook page. And, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. By all means, please subscribe. And we will see you all next time.